Hi friends, welcome to English Guru LK. Today we are going to study our lesson number 6. I am trying with verb. Here are some examples. I am trying to get a job. I am trying to call my family. I am trying to enjoy my dinner. I am trying to educate myself. I am trying to explain myself. I am trying to eat healthy. I am trying to understand. Okay guys, practice makes perfect. Practice 100 times to improve your speaking skills. You can speak if you believe you can. Our next lesson will be how to use I am gonna plus verb. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching these videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell button, and to get more benefit, please share among your friends.